How to create a profile card with avatar video on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top and then tap on the settings icon. Now in settings, we then scroll down and tap on advanced features. Next, in here, scroll down and tap on Galaxy Avatar. Now scroll down and tap on Profile, then tap on Video. Next in here, select a video type. So we've got all, you've got dance. You can filter out by fun or party. Next, you need to swipe across and select a video style that you like. So here I have downloaded one already. I can use that one. So that's a party dance. Here you can also choose another person to dance with you. So you can select a second avatar. Here we can select a different avatar as well. So tap on done. Now if you want to choose another person to dance with you, I think there's another style. So this one right here, you can download that. You can have dance. So here we got already have downloaded this one as well. So this one got 2 person. So here you can select the other person, then tap on done. Okay, we can move them around the screen. And then after that, you can tap on saved. So that will save the video to your gallery. So it won't take long, maybe a few seconds to save the video. The video is around 15 seconds long. Okay, so here say the video is too big, so we need to trim it down. So if you want to drag it here, and then we can trim it down, then tap on done. Then tap on done at the top. Now you can also tap on the preview button. And it says profile cut preview. This one will be placed on the incoming call screen. And tap on OK, and then tap on done. And that's it. So now we have saved a profile card. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Here to use it, you can open up the phone application. Then tap on the more button and tap on settings. In settings, you can tap on core background, then tap on background. Here we go to gallery. And then we can apply that video that we have created from the avatar. And then tap on set as core background. And that's it. Thank you for watching.